As Russia is trying to conduct a smaller offensive, they are suffering massive losses, as multiple tanks and armored fighting vehicles are lost, as Russia was conducting a night raid with 2 different BMPs. As the first BMP hit a mine at the end of the tree line, the vehicle got completely destroyed. But as Russia came in with a second BMP later, Ukraine had placed an ambush, where a Ukrainian soldier fired off an anti-tank rocket, most likely an AT4. As the rocket penetrates the BMP, it keeps rolling down but gets hit again, causing a fire to start on top, causing the second BMP to crash basically at the same spot the first BMP was taken out, destroying 2 more BMPs, leaving 2 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.